So what I've got for you today is the Meditation Profit Vault. And if we wanted to learn meditation in the past, I mean, going back a bit, right, we'd go and get a book. We might get a book from the library and learn how to do meditation. If we wanted to watch a video, going back a bit, we would have to maybe go through the newspaper or get the Exchange and Mart. If you're in the UK, you'd know what that was. And we'd look for an advert and we'd buy a VHS video that would be sent in the post. All of that has changed. We're in the digital age now, and that means that there are so many opportunities for us and so many advantages. If we want to learn meditation now, we can just do it online. And now I'm going to put you in the position where you can be the seller of that, because with this bundle that I've got for you here, I'm telling you, this is insane value. Let me just show you something. Before I go any further, let me just show you this. Look, we're kicking off at $5. Now, the sooner you get in, the better the price you pay. Yes, this is going to go up. It's going to go up with every single sale. And even if it went up to $10 or $15, that would still be insane value. But I'm just saying, the sooner you get in, the better. Now, what do you get for your $5? You get 50 guided meditation audio tracks. Now, these are really popular because you can just put your headphones on and then you can sit back and you can just listen. Right, and these are amazing. Now, I've put a couple of examples down here, all right, on the page. Guided visualization meditation to relax the mind. And then I've got to relieve depression. And these are just two of a long list. So let me give you a little taste of what you're going to get. This is just 16 of the 50. So you've got powerful guided meditation, even though you are busy at work. Meditation for deep breathing and relaxation. Meditation for yawn and stretch relaxation. For short sleep, taking a nap during the day. I mean, that's a good one, right? That's a good one. You know, you can see the benefit of that, can't you? Guided meditation for deep relaxation. Guided meditation for deep visualization. Walking in vast meadow. That sounds nice. Getting back to deep sleep. Who is not going to want that? Health and deep sleep relaxation. Hot water relaxation in the mountains. Hot water relaxation in the mountains. I tell you what, it's a bit grim in the UK at the moment. I could do with some of that. Walking on the clouds. Nice. Guided meditation for deep sleep and guided meditation for body scan and deep sleep. Right, so that gives you an idea of the guided meditations. That's just part of this pack. And remember, the whole pack is just $5 to begin with. Price goes up with every sale though. Now you're also going to get 30 vertical meditation videos. So vertical is for short, YouTube shorts, Instagram, TikTok, all that kind of stuff. Already done for you, ready to go. So think about this, right? Let me just play a couple here for you. All right, so they're nice, as you can see. So think about this. You could use these. You could just create yourself a brand new Instagram or YouTube Shorts channel, right? And just upload those to get traffic. And then once you got the traffic, you could give them a lead magnet, which was, for example, 200 powerful quotes. All right, 200 powerful meditation quotes. So now you use the vertical videos, you give them the quotes as a lead magnet, and the lead magnet is going to sell them the rest of the bundle. And the rest of the bundle is going to be the 50 guided meditation audio tracks, the 400 calming AI images, and then you take the 40 ready to use scripts and you can create your own bundle, your own empire with those. You can create even more meditation assets, or you can just include those. Or this is what you could do. You could take the vertical meditation videos, you could put them on Instagram or YouTube, and then you could sell the rest of the pack, or you could just sell the whole pack, including those, because you've got PLR rights, private label rights. That means it's yours. The minute that you come here and click that button, this becomes yours. It becomes a digital asset that you can sell as is, the whole bundle. You can do what you like with it. You can rename it, rebrand it. You can just do anything you want, but you keep all the money that you make because it's yours. This is the fastest way to become a vendor creator, right? It's the fastest way to stop buying everything and start selling stuff. And you could also go ahead and release a bundle like this. You could repackage it, you could rename it, and you could then release it on Warrior Plus, for example. You could release it on JVZoo, but you wouldn't be able to put it as public in the marketplace because it's PLR. But if you changed it, I mean, as in you bought PLR, but if you changed it, if you added stuff to it, then it became your product. Then you could even put it on JVZoo like I'm doing and sell that with your little bit of added extra. But you get 40 ready-to-use scripts. So you can turn those into videos, for example, meditation videos using AI, and you could put those into the bundle and you can sell that. You could also sell this package on sites like Etsy and Gumroad. There is just no end of what you could do. You could also use every single part of this package to attract people as your traffic machine in the meditation niche. And then you could go and use affiliate links to promote other people's affiliate products and earn affiliate commissions. Right? Just think about what you can do. So many things you can do. So many different ways you can make money from this. And I've got to be honest with you, I think you're going to struggle not to at $5 for the whole thing. So 50 guided meditation audio tracks, 30 vertical meditation videos, 400 calming AI images, 200 powerful quotes, 40 ready-to-use scripts, full meditation video course, and all with PLR rights. It's ridiculous. It's a $5 billion industry. Right? I just asked ChatGPT, is the meditation industry growing? And it came back with, oh, geez, it was huge, like the figures. Let me see if I can get those. Yes, the meditation and mindfulness niche is growing, and it's supported by real market data and behavioural trends. Here's a concise summary you can use and even mention on camera in your review video, which is this, right? Global market expansion, it's consistently projected to continue growing strongly over the next decade. Now, it did mention figures before, so let me see, what's the value in billions of the meditation market and how is it looking to grow over the next few years? So the global meditation market is estimated at roughly $7.5 to $9.7 billion in the mid-2020s. Growth prediction is to be around 17.8 billion by 2032. It's a massive industry, right? It really is. It really is. So, I mean, it's already like a $10 billion industry as we sit here now, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger. Now, as always, I'm going to spoil you rotten. If you pick this up through me, you're going to get all of these bonuses ready and waiting for you. This is, I mean, you've even got the intrinsic masterclass, right? Where you can follow me real time as I choose some PLR, I pimp it, set up the sales and access docs, launch it and mail it. That's a $497 course. You get all of that. You got advanced bonus training, how to set up your own product on Warrior Plus, which is going to be useful if you decide to go down that route. And then extra PLR and MRR bundles, all of these, all included in this massive bonus bundle, which is completely free if you get it through my link. Now, in order to check that you're going through my link, you need to make sure that you are cookied to me, and you'll see that at the bottom of the checkout cart page. If you see that, then you will get these bonuses. If you don't see that, then you're buying through somebody else and you won't get these bonuses. Let me show you how you check that. So you come through to the sales page, click on any of these buttons here. That's going to take you through to the checkout cart. Now, at the bottom of the checkout cart, you're going to see this section where it says terms of sale. And at the very top here, the very first line, it says referred by Trevor Carr 309293. That's what you want to see, all right? This here, this product is created by Luann and Trevor Carr. That's irrelevant because yes, it's my product as the vendor, but if you want my bonuses, you need this one here. You have been referred by Trevor Carr 309293. If you see that, then you will get the bonuses. So quick recap, guys. You got 50 guided meditation audio tracks, 30 vertical meditation videos, 400 calming meditation images, 200 powerful quotes, 40 ready-to-use scripts, and a full meditation video course, all with full PLR rights, private label rights, so you can sell it and keep every single penny you make. It's as if it's your package, and that is kicking off at just $5. But by the time you see this, that's likely to be higher. That could go as high as $10 or $15, but even so, for $10 or $15, seriously, for all that you get here, that is an absolute bargain, and I think you would struggle not to make money with this. This is a really hot niche. If you've ever bought any of my PLR stuff before, then this is the perfect way to take that and put it into a bundle, to take that and build your empire of digital products that you can sell. If you do nothing else, if you want to create your own digital products, right? If you do nothing else, The powerful move on this is that you could use these as bonuses. That's what PLR is great for as well. That's what I've done in my business. So you could just think, well, I'm going to create my own products, but I'm going to use these as bonuses to sell that. Or when you're promoting other people's products as an affiliate, you can use these as bonuses. But the quick money is just to sell these yourself. Let's say you decide to sell the whole pack. Let's say you buy it for, I don't know, $7, right? And let's say you decide to sell the whole pack for $7. First sale and you've got your investment back. What sort of business do you think you can do that with? Can you name any business where you can pay for the business as you're doing here, and then with your first sale, get the entire investment back? Especially something like this, because if you were charging, like, I don't know, $7, for example, there's not going to be a lot of resistance, is there? Because for $7, they're getting all of that, So it's a good one. So go ahead, grab it through me, get your bonuses, and let's make some money. I'll see you soon. You take care.